Welcome back. Now, it's quite possible that you may want to change a certain string of text to a certain color on your page. And the easiest way to do that is going to be to use a string of HTML characters inside of particular tags. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add in a particular tag for the font. And we're going to edit in this line. We're going to put the tag here. And you're going to notice that this tag says font space color equals quotation marks then red. Now obviously if we have an open tag, we're going to need to close the tag. And we close the tag with a backslash and then font. What that's going to do is it's going to change this string of text to red. Now let's say that we didn't like this particular shade of red. We wanted to have it to be a different kind of red. Now one common tool that you will be using in terms of color from your desktop will be a tool called Instant Eyedropper. And so if you don't have Instant Eyedropper, you can download the free program. And you can download the tool at instant-eyedropper.com. And what you're going to do is you're just going to download the free application. And once we have Instant Eyedropper, we can match it up with the shade that we do like. So for example, what we're going to do is we'll hover over this shade and we're going to note the hex code. And you'll notice that the hex code is 4A110F. So we're going to take that back to our page. And what we're going to do is we're going to go inside of the tag where we have the word red. And what we're going to do is we're going to backspace out of that word that says red. We're going to put the number sign, and then we're going to put in our code. And then we're going to notice that this color is now going to change closer to the one that we picked, which is wine. And so you can use this font color code in order to change a particular string of text inside of your page, any place where you want to change it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.